Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rabbit stew. First, prepare your rabbit by cleaning and cutting it into manageable pieces, typically 6 to 8. Pat these pieces thoroughly dry with paper towels. Then, season them generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper on all sides. This initial step is crucial for developing a rich flavor base for your delicious stew. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large Dutch oven or heavy-bottomed pot over medium-high heat. Brown the rabbit pieces in batches until they are golden on all sides, then remove them. In the same pot, add 1 cup of chopped onions and cook until softened. Stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for about 1 minute until fragrant. Now, deglaze the pot with 1 cup of dry white wine, scraping up any brown bits from the bottom. Pour in 4 cups of chicken broth and 1 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Return the browned rabbit pieces to the pot. Add a bay leaf and a few sprigs of fresh thyme. Bring the liquid to a gentle simmer, ensuring all ingredients are well combined. Finally, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let the stew simmer gently for 5 to 2 hours or until the rabbit is fork tender. About 30 minutes before serving, stir in 2 cups of chopped carrots and 1 cup of diced potatoes. Continue to cook until the vegetables are tender. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed before serving your comforting rabbit stew.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.